What is Rejuvenating Set? These are skincare products that are grouped together as a set. Usually contains cleanser or bar soap, toner, whitening cream, and sunblock cream. Then what are the benefits of rejuvenating products? This improves acne scars, tightens loose skin, eliminates hyperpigmentation, improves skin tone, improves skin texture, reduce appearance of wrinkles, and reduce appearance of fine lines. Brilliant Skin Essentials Kojic Acid Soap. This is a micro-exfoliating soap. This soap is for anti-acne, micro-peeling, whitening, smoothening, minimize pores, and reduce pimple marks. Brilliant Skin Essentials Rejuvenating Facial Toner. This is an exfoliating toner. This toner whitens skin, minimizes pores, tightens skin, removes wrinkles, and your skin will have a pinkish glow. Brilliant Skin Essentials Rejuvenating Facial Cream. This is an exfoliating cream. This cream whitens face, reverses signs of aging, maintains skin suppleness, reduces wrinkles, removes appearance of skin blemishes, and nourishes skin. Brilliant Skin Essentials Sunscreen Gel Cream. This is a sun protection gel cream with SPF 30. This sunscreen has UVA, UVB protection, whitens skin, moisturizes skin with glass skin effect. This rejuvenating set claims to achieve whiter and younger looking skin. This is expertly formulated to be a combination of gentle yet effective products that is suitable for acne-prone skin. This set helps reduce the appearance of blemishes such as pimple scars, whiteheads, blackheads, dark spots, and other discoloration. It also helps refresh the skin effectively, cleansing the pores by removing dirt and by gently exfoliating the top layers of skin to bring out your youthful glowing skin. Direction for use of these products. First, the Kojic Acid Soap, used in the morning and at night as your daily cleanser. Apply to damp skin and lather for 3 minutes before rinsing. Second, the Rejuvenating Facial Toner. After cleansing with Brilliant Skin Kojic Acid Soap, place a small amount of rejuvenating facial toner on a cotton pad and spread evenly on the face and neck in an upward motion. Use twice daily for 1 month, then rest for another month before using again. The third one is the Rejuvenating Facial Cream. After using Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Facial Toner, gently apply a thin layer of Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Facial Cream evenly on your face with an upward motion. Use once a day, preferably before bedtime, for 1 month, then rest for another month before using it again. The last one, Sunscreen Gel Cream SPF 30. Apply liberally and evenly all over the face and neck 30 minutes before sun exposure, especially when you apply Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Facial Toner and Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Facial Cream at night for added protection during the entire exfoliation process. Reapply frequently every 2 hours for best result. Thank you for watching. Till next time.